Present your political show.
Welcome to another edition of Anamoah.
Has a blog
write facts, so I don't think I'll be.
You write
facts.
When you write this, hey Serwaa, we know what you've been up to in this country. What do you know?
Where did you pick that from?
That is your Twitter page.
Okay.
That
Twitter is about agenda.
What's this agenda? So in other words, it's about fooling and saying stupid things. That is meant to tarnish someone else's image. What's this factual about what you've written about Serwaa?
I mean, Twitter is a different world, you know.
How? Twitter?
Get that right. You can't even spell Amihere. You can't even spell it. Yet you think you can sit behind a phone and write crap on Twitter about people. Simple Amihere. You can't spell it. But that's not the point. You question people's relevance. How relevant do you think you are? Because I've seen tweets of you rubbishing Lydia Forson too.
I need to get the source of. I mean,
it's your phone. Your phone is in your pocket.
You said you deal with facts. Yes. No, you wrote just on October 10 that the 4.5K issue that person is paid more than you at GH1 TV.
Do you know my salary?
How did you know?
That's why I'm telling you that what you see on Twitter is different from.
You sit on Twitter and you write utter nonsense about people. You've said horrible things about me, Serwaa, Lydia Forson, Bridget, other people on your Twitter. Here I am. Say it to my face.
Why should I?
Why shouldn't you?
Because Twitter is not real life.
I have always said that people who bully people, when they see them, they can't even talk.
You can't even.
You are a very clear example of those people. You can't.
If you sit on Twitter and you say that it's a different life, and you can insult Lydia Forson that you haven't met before, and you meet her, you will go shush. You can't speak like right now.
Because it looks like when you meet real human beings, you can't express yourself.
I know you go back on Twitter and write crap.
Yes.
Go ahead. I don't care. But the thing is, you couldn't say it to my.
And what are you? He couldn't even say anything. Now I am waving, but I don't know it now. You know that you cannot say it to their faces. Not it now. Who type it? You should have said it to their faces since you have the vim. And this should guys, so this is it. I want to be continued. So we've heard that he has lost his job. Whether true or not true, he has lost his job, and they are saying that it's not because of his encounter with Anamoah, Serwaa, Amihere, and then Bridget Otoo. It's not because of that, but it is based on some reason. That is why so that is it. So guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Serwaa. You can follow us on all social media platforms, Xposed, GH